Hello! Do you know a bit about north, east, south and west? So directions like on a map. If you don't, stick around because we're going to teach you that today. So north, east, south and west, that's like directions of where you go. So if I said, right, I need you to go in the direction of north, where would that be? As you can see, that means up, okay, forward, okay, so north. And then you've got east and south and west. But the best way to learn and memorise the order of how this goes is using the phrase, never eat shredded wheat, okay? So one more time, never eat shredded wheat. So if you then know that, you're going to know which direction to go. So you've got never for north, eat for east, shredded for south, and then wheat for west. Okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!